video with me. There we go. Let's see. I almost bust my ass. Okay. But I'm good now. We good. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. Wait, come over. Oh, we welcome back now. What is it? Is that better? It's better now. Alrighty. After all of that. Alright, first thing first, I'm having a lot of technical difficulties here today, but bear with me. Things are going to get better, okay? Okay. Alright, so guys, today in this video, I'm just going to be showing you a review or a opening boxing. What is those things called? It's like when you win a giveaway and you're reviewing what's in the box. So yeah, I'm gonna do a what's in the box because I'm ready to find out. Alright, so basically what it was is I followed this company on Instagram. It's called Refuge. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. I'm gonna also leave the information at the bottom so that way you guys can follow. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the information at the bottom so that way you guys can follow the Instagram and also as well as the website to pick up some goods. Let me see here, because I don't want to lie to y'all, but I just want to give you guys a quick rundown about the company. Hopefully it's on like the website because I'm gonna read it from there. Y'all, it's hot in here. Like I had to complain because my doggone heat wasn't working. Nah, I need the air to come back on because it's hot. Okay, I don't know what it was today, but in South Carolina something must be going on because I swear it was just like 40 degrees Friday and here it is freaking Monday and it's like 70 something degrees outside. Hot. I mean, it ain't hot, but it's hot enough in here, okay? And behind these lights is extra light. It's extra hot. Okay, so I'm not gonna read all of it, but I am gonna read some of it. So what I did was I went to the website. Ooh, can you guys see that? I went to the website, okay, and I'm scrolling up. Man, what the heck? Okay, work with me. I'm not editing this video, by the way. This is going up raw. Like raw refuge, raw footage today, okay? But this is the website. This is the owner of the company, Amber. I don't know her last name, but that's neither here or there. But this is the owner of the company here, and if you go on her website, you can kind of see basically she sells clothes. I'ma just read it. Shoot. Okay, I don't like reading. All right. And I need to stop looking there. I need to be looking here. I really apologize. Starting now, I'm going to start looking here. Okay. Alright, so the 28-year-old California native Amber Smith, there's the last name, finally decided after years of procrastination and excuses to finally pursue what she loves so much, style, culture, and home. With the help from many and support from her family. I tried it. With the help from many and support from her family and friends, Raw Refuge was brought to life, okay? So Amber actually has a lot of really cute things on there. I also follow her personal page on Instagram. Her style is like amazing. Like really amazing. So you guys can definitely go on her website and shop. This is the latest one. I love this. This is what she wore for her birthday. Like, can y'all see that? If y'all can't, y'all need to go to the website anyways. But y'all, it was like this leopard. Hey, focus here, okay? Like, y'all, tell me that ain't cute, boy. Boy, ooh! And then she messed him up real good with the red. Okay, okay. Phone's definitely acting up. But I thought it was super duper cute. So cute, y'all. Look how cute this is. Like, bruh, I need you in my life. And she wore the red heels with it. It was so cute. And then she tied in like a red belt. Oh, perfect. I should just definitely do that the first time. But yeah, so this is what she wore for her birthday, and I thought this was super duper duper cute. Y'all, check them shoes though. Them shits is not. Okay. Y'all, look who calling me in the middle of me recording.
You know.
It's Shay. You might as well. You froze. You froze. You like this. Y'all, Shay froze. Look at Shay. Oh, it's that poor connection. She.
We back.
It's not we. It's me.
I'm back.
Do you see yourself in the camera?
Hey y'all.
Oh my God, Shay.
Shay.
And then it's like it's focusing on your face and not mine.
How are you?
Shay, I'm recording and I don't plan on editing this video. It's gonna be raw.
Okay, well I just got one question.
Oh, I'm sorry guys. That was definitely Shay interrupting. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this because I done wasted a lot of time. Y'all, this shirt, okay, so as y'all probably just heard me say, but I basically, this is a cardigan that I had got from Forever 21. It was $5. I lied, it was $2.50. It was $5 and then I got it for $2.50. So y'all, I was too lazy to go downstairs, right, to get because I did laundry today. Your girl was very productive because she's on vacation, and I said I'm gonna be productive, and so you know I was, and y'all, I wasn't too productive because I was too lazy to bring all my baskets upstairs. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not even gonna worry about that. I am just going to slip this on. Don't worry about the jeans and the scarf. But I make it do what it do. Also, I don't have a frontal to this wig. That's why I have this scarf on. But yeah, so the cardigan, I basically twisted up. Don't ask me how because I completely forgot how. I don't know. I just kind of like played with it and bam. I was like, yeah, I got a shirt. This is what it is. And I just took this scarf and added this scarf to it. But yeah, because I didn't have no frontal. And I'm not lying, I'm serious. I don't have a frontal up here, so I just, yeah. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna keep it real. Okay, I promise I have scissors, but my kitchen is like right there, so I just said I'll just grab a knife. But yeah, so this is the box that it came in. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh, I honestly don't have no idea what it is at all. All I was told was to email my sizes, and my address. But I know when she did do the giveaway, she was like, she posted on her Instagram and she said, repost for a free giveaway. Make sure you're following the pages, I think. Don't give me the line. I think that's what it was. But I know I did take the necessary steps to win, so yeah. Alright, so, ooh, some wrapping paper. Okay. Alright, so it's wrapped like this. Ooh, okay. No. Is this what I think it is? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this what I think it is? Y'all. Okay. Sorry. Y'all, okay. It is what I think it is. Okay, so I saw this. She posted this on her Instagram, and I know it was launch. It was one of her launches that she did. One of her first launches, I believe so. And it was like this little, not knit, crab. What is this called? Weeded. I'm not good with those terms, but I just know it's like this, y'all. Y'all, I'm about to nigga. Okay. So yes, y'all. So oh my god, this is so freaking cute. So oh my god, y'all, this is super cute. Okay, so it is my size, a size small. It's like a rose gold color. It have like the slits on both sides. Y'all, I can't wait to wear this. It has a tie, like a drawstring in the front of it. I hope my camera is not like throwing off the color of it, so I'm getting a little bit closer so you guys can see it a little bit more. Not my camera, my lights, because my lights, they definitely be changing the colors of things. Bro, you got me. Okay, so we back. My camera has some technical difficulties, but we back. Alright, so I got this. Okay, so as I was saying, I have this rose gold. Yo, this thing is so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna edit in this video, but it may be in another video, so make sure you guys continue to watch my video so you can see me styling these pieces. So it's cute. This one thing here, and then I have another piece here. Oh okay, so guys, okay, so I work in retail. I ain't gonna tell y'all where I work, but I work in retail. Some of y'all probably already know. But I work in retail, and we have this black lace dress, and I just put it on a mannequin. Like before I went on vacation, I put it on a mannequin, and y'all, when I said the outfit is so bad, it's so bad. I was like, I really want to buy that. I really want to buy that. But me, I'm so cheap. I'm just like, ugh, I don't know if I want to pay that price for that. But y'all, homegirl got your girl covered. Oh, got me covered. Okay. Because this is very, very similar to the piece that I wanted. But this one's like a cream color. Y'all. This, bruh. It's like a cream color. I think I'm going to honestly do like a photo shoot, honestly. So this is it here. I think it's better if I stand up. So, oh my God. Y'all, oh my God. Okay, so that's that one. Let me show you guys the length of the other one. Just in case y'all didn't catch it. But this is this one, y'all. Boy, this gonna be, ooh. See, I can't record me with the outfit on right now wearing these pieces because my hair ain't done, and today was a struggle. But when I do get a chance to, y'all, I'm gonna make sure y'all. All right, so that was that. Oh, and guess what? I ain't even done. I ain't done. It's not. Y'all, stop. Everybody just 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 stop. There's more. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all. Yes. Yes. This. Bruh. Everybody just calm down. Everybody calm down. Everybody is calm, right? Everybody is calm. Okay. So this is another piece. It's like a burnt orange color. All these pieces are actually on her website. Well, they were. I'm not sure if they still are, because I know these were pieces from her first collection, but I'm not sure if they still are. But y'all, I'm about to start crying. Thank you, girl. Thank you. So it has pockets on it. The material is like the truth. Like, it's the truth. It's so cute. Like, pockets are on this. There's a zipper up front. This, y'all, I swear I didn't know how to use these belt buckles until I was like 20 something. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't even know how to use these. But y'all, now I do, and your girl about to show out. Y'all, this is so cute. It is a skirt. Wait, it's not a skirt, a lot of shorts. Oh shoot. Okay, so they're shorts, y'all. Who your girl. Y'all just wait on it. Just wait. That's all I got to say. Just wait on it. Okay. Oh, I love. You wouldn't understand. This is a graphic t-shirt. It's a crop graphic tee, and it says "you wouldn't understand" on it. Super cute, y'all. Like, I can really see these with some printed bottom pants. Just wait on it, y'all, because I'm gonna have to do a whole video for this line. A whole video, like, for real. All right. So next. Like, everything is my style. Everything I love. Okay, so next I have these, y'all. Bear with me. Okay, I'm trying to keep it together here. Okay, so next I have are these striped pants. It's like an ivory color, and it looks like more like a plush or a blush. Not a plush. That's like one of those dolls that we used to sell. What's it called? A plush? Yeah, a plush doll. When I used to work for Claire's, we used to sell these plush dolls. Those days are long gone. Anyways, yes. So these pants, oh my God, y'all. And it has like the paper back to it. Oh my God, y'all, stop. It has a split on the freaking side. Yeah. I know my friends, they be like, Jasmine, you be so dramatic when you talking about clothes. But it's like, y'all don't even understand me though. Like, you wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand because you just wouldn't understand. It's just like when I see clothes and something that I really like, and a piece that I know that I can really work with, gets your girl really excited. And homegirl, I'm excited, okay? Yeah, y'all, I can't wait to pair these pieces up and show you guys what I got. Oh my god, how I'm gonna style these pieces. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I gotta do my hair. I gotta get it together so I can show you guys these pieces. I'm gonna have to do something real quick because I actually want to like upload this video and do a styling video literally like right behind it. I gotta do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair tonight, not right now. I'm gonna do my hair tonight, so I can show you guys exactly how I would style these pieces. But y'all, so y'all, Amber, let me I gotta fix my camera. Hold on, bear with me. Okay. We back. All right, so this is not again, y'all, this shirt was nigga rigged. Be with me. Thank you so freaking much. Like, I can't even explain like how overly I am excited about these pieces, and I can't wait to style these pieces. Thank you so freaking much for sending them to me. Like I can scream right now, but I have neighbors, so I'ma chill. Okay? But I can't, y'all. I can't wait to style, bruh. I can't wait to style these pieces. You guys. Air. Don't be disrespectful. Y'all, my air just came on, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up real quick because I ain't got that kind of time, and it is hot, and I need my air. Okay, but thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and also comment at the bottom if you guys are excited as I am for these pieces and to see what I'm gonna do with these pieces. Okay, and do not forget to follow raw footage. Really, Jasmine? Really? Sorry. Do not forget to follow Raw Refuge on Instagram. Again, I am going to leave the Instagram name at the bottom along with the website. Y'all, who? Because I'm about to be slaying. And she got some new fall pieces that she just came out with. Y'all, check out. It's like this corduroy pants and the corduroy jacket. I'm going to have to cop that, okay? I am going to have to cop that because it's where it's at, okay? Definitely. So for fashion ideas, styles, and more pieces, make sure you guys are following her on Instagram, and also check out her website and get a few things, you know, help us sister out, because you know this is what we do. We here for each other, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much again for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Always remember, vibrant peace. Bye. I'm ready. Yeah, so freaking excited.